Good morning. Good morning, class 3. How are you? So, today it's our Learn to Lead time. Yes, today we'll be doing a new chapter in Learn to Lead. And what is that chapter name? That is Think and Win. Okay? Now, what is this? Which slide? See? It is always said, dear children, that we should think before we speak. Because if we think and speak now, then nothing will go wrong, no one will feel bad, and everything will be very smooth. But if you speak without thinking, then you can speak anything, you can even hurt someone's feeling, or you can make someone feel bad. And then you might have to regret it later, or you might have to say sorry to them later. Fine. So, to avoid such embarrassing situations or to avoid such situations, it is always said, think before you speak. Before our mouth opens to speak anything, our mind should think about it thrice. And only when we find out that the thing that we are going to speak is true, is it helpful for someone, is it inspiring, is it necessary to speak, and are we going to speak kind words? These five things, these five parameters should be satisfied, only then you should speak. Yes, there are many times when people who have this tendency to speak a lot, they speak without any reason, and no one likes to listen to them. No one likes to listen to them. Then what happens? Then what happens? That they keep on speaking, and no audience is there, no one likes to speak to them, no one likes to listen to them. But to improve our personality and to develop our personality should be groomed in such a manner that people should wait for us to speak. People should wait for us to speak. Our words should be so true, should be so kind, should be so helpful, should be so inspiring that people, they wait for us to speak. Yes, it is only then we become successful and our personality is groomed. Yes, so we should always think before we are speaking. We should always think before we are speaking. Fine. Now, children, there is a story that is given in your Learn to Lead book. Fine. This story, you are going to read it for yourself. And in this story, you'll find out that quick thinking can solve many problems. Quick thinking can solve many problems. First of all, thinking is important. Then, quick thinking is important because with that, we can solve many problems, we can solve many issues, and everything will start running smoothly. Fine. Give this chapter a reading, give this story a reading. This is for you to read yourself so that firstly, your reading practice will be done. Secondly, you will come to know a wonderful story after reading this. Fine. You'll come to know a wonderful story after reading this, and you will also come to know that how quick thinking can improve our uh, issues, can improve so many problems. We can solve out so many problems in a very quick manner. Fine. Now think. There's one exercise that ma'am is going to give to you, and that is, think about 5 positive words and make sentences with them. This thing I have sent you in the assignment section also, and you'll be doing this work in the English notebook. Okay, again I am saying we have to think about 5 positive words and make beautiful sentences out of them. Make beautiful sentences with the help of them. Okay, I'm sure you will do it, and I'm sure that from now on, everyone, before speaking, you'll be thinking a lot, and you'll be thinking that is it necessary, is it helpful, is it kind, is it important to speak. Otherwise, silence is the wonderful thing in this world. Okay, so with this, thank you so much and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.